Charlie's Trains. We have a surprise for you folks. I'm pulling 3 diesel engines. They're all 218 diesel engines from Santafe, pulling Santafe passenger cars. Just come around here going through the train bridge. Everything's looking great. And if you would, please go to YouTube and subscribe to me at Charlie's with apostrophe S Trains 9169. I appreciate it. Thank you. I hope you're enjoying this video with the 3 Santafe engines, the 218s. They're from the 50s. As you see, they're all running good. I try to keep the maintenance up on so they can keep on running.